Recovering from infidelity is not a walk in the park. It's a journey. It's a journey that two people must take together. And I want to share with you something that I did a while back. My name is Juan. I'm a licensed clinician. I help couples go from stuck to deeply connected. And I had a couple way back share with me to get that journey that we did, the journey of healing and recovering from an affair, and put it into a book. So I did that, and I did that from your recommendation. So thank you so much for sharing that with me. And I'm here to share it with you. If you are someone that is in the midst of an affair and you're looking at healing, you're looking at recovery, I want to share this workbook with you. And here's how it works, so you know exactly what you're getting before you pay for it. The workbook has a big A, accountability. It's going to really push you and your partner to sit down and work through each of the pages together. And the reason for that is because whenever we go through something traumatic like an affair, it's vital. It's really vital for us to do it together, where you and your partner are able to unfold page by page, work through each of the activities, and get to the point that you feel you are genuinely healing. You feel that you're recovering, and then most importantly, you're doing it together. And then by the end of the book, you're able to look back and say, we got here. We created this growth. We're able to continue to live together and to have this fulfilling, healthy relationship that we want, we deserve. So why don't you check it out? Click the link below, purchase the book. I really believe in it, and I think it's going to help you get to the place that you want to get to.